dusk falls, the winds begin to shift, and into my life you slowly drift. I hear you coming through the night, and then I see you there on the right. For a few moments we travel in peace, but an instant flash those feelings cease. With a twist of your body and a change of your mind, I get a freezing cold chill up and down my spine. There is your face glowing in the bright light, and I'm instantly overcome with a sheer sense of fright. I gasp and I pray to a much higher plan. Please, dear God, please be with this man. Help him on his journey down this darkened road. Help him get home to his sweet, humble abode. But you traveled into the distance way too fast. You didn't even give my prayers a chance to last. Literally within seconds, our worlds twisted into a squall, for I quickly realized you took a serious fall. I rushed to you as fast as I possibly could, hoping and praying for your inner good. Gently I rested my hand upon your back, fearing the worst as the day turned to black. Holding my cross and connected to you, I prayed for God's light to shine you through. I prayed for the Lord and the angels above to surround you and protect you with their